Hello students, we have read SGB 2. Today let us discuss the compression questions and answers. चलो पिला माने आज compression question एवं तार आंसर गुडी का आलोचना करिबा. Question number 1. Where did the rich man take his son one day? Answer. One day the rich man took his son to the poor people living in small huts down the hills. Question number 2. What did he have in his mind? Answer. He had in his mind to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. Question number 3. What does the word this stands for in the third line? Answer. The word this stands for the phrase to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. Question number 4. What did the rich man think of this? The rich man thought of this would work like medicine for his son's sadness. Question number 5. When would the son's sadness disappear? Answer. When his son would see the poor people living in small huts down the hills, his sadness would disappear. 6. What would he realize? Answer. He would realize how privileged he was in contrast to number 7. In which car did he take his son all around? Answer. In a beautiful car he took his son all around. Question number 8. What did he make his son see? Answer. He made his son see the poor farmers living in wretched condition. Question number 9. How did the son live in a big house? Answer. The son lived like a prisoner in a big house. Question number 10. What was his father telling him all the time? Answer. His father was telling him how these poor people were living. Number 11. Was his father happy on his way back? Which word tells you so? Answer. Yes, his father was happy on his way back. The word satisfied tells us so. Question number 12. The rich man's happiness got doubled to see the poor farmers. What about his son? He was happy or unhappy? Answer. His son was happy. Question number 13. Who does we stand for in the line we have? Answer. The word we stands for the rich people. Question number 14. Who are richer in having pools? The poor farmers or the rich man? How? Answer. The poor farmers are richer in having pools. They have a river instead of pools. Question number 15. What look better? The artificial lamps or the stars? Why? Answer. The stars look better because the dazzling stars enrich the beauty of the sky. Question number 16. Who buy food? Answer. The rich buy food. Question number 17. Who grow their own food? Answer. The poor farmers grow their own food. Question number 18. What does the rich man have to protect him and his family? Answer. The rich man has walls to protect him and his family. Question number 19. Who do the poor farmers have to protect them? Answer. The poor farmers have friends to protect them. Question number 20. Friends or walls? Which of these two can give someone real protection? Answer. Friends can give someone real protection. Question number 21. What was the feeling of the son? Answer. His son was indifferent to all richness. He was really happy with poor farmers. Question number 22. What did he want to do? Answer. He wanted to live with the poor farmers there. Question number 23. The father and the son look at things in different ways. In other words, their attitude to life is different. Whose attitude or ways of looking at things is better? Answer. The son's attitude or way of looking at things is better. Students, let us write a paragraph about the rich man and another paragraph about the son. Before that, let us discuss a column matching. Match the person in A with the contents in B. In column A, the rich man, the son. In column B, its contents. The rich man had a palatial building. The rich man had private soldiers and a bulldog. The rich man lived like a king happily. The rich man had in his mind to show his son how rich they were. The rich man, his happiness got doubled when he saw the poor farmers. The rich man took his son to the poor farmers living in small huts. The rich man thought that seeing the poor farmers would change his mind. एगुड़ी को आमे वन बोली डिनोट करिबा एक लिखिबा से गुड़ी के रिच मैन हला सन लो द सन did not like all richness and glamour. The son sat alone in the garden looking down the hills. The son lived like a prisoner. The son was indifferent to richness and glamour. The son wanted to live with the poor farmers. एगुड़ी को टू बोल डिनोट करिबा जे गुड़ी को एक लिखिथिले वन लिखिथिले से गुड़ी को रिच मैन कॉलम रे लिखिबा. द रिच मैन हैड पैलेसियल बिल्डिंग. ही हैड प्राइवेट सोल्जर्स एंड बुलडॉग. ही lived like a king happily. He had in his mind to show his son how rich they were. His happiness got doubled when he saw the poor farmers. He took his son to the poor farmers living in small house. He thought that seeing the poor farmers would change his mind. आमे रिच मैन परिवर्ते द्वितीय वाक्य ठारू ही बोल लिखिबा कारण प्रोनाउन पे काम करियो. रिच मैन को बारंबार लिखिबा नहीं. सिमती the son sat alone in the garden looking down the hill. Lived like a prisoner. He was indifferent to the richness and glamour. He wanted to live with the poor farmers. Similarly, आउ दुई पैराग्राफ लिखिबा. The rich man's building, the poor man's house. Before that, we also match column A with column B. In column A, the rich man's building and the poor farmer's house. In column B, their contents. The rich man's building, a big palatial building. Rich man building on the top of a hill. Rich man building surrounded by tall boundary walls. Rich man building looked very beautiful in moonlit night. Rich man building looked special due to lamps. Rich man building ପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ତ ପୁଅର ଫାର୍ମର୍ସ ହଟ୍. ଦ ପୁଅର ଫାର୍ମର୍ସ ହଟ୍ସ ସ୍ମଲ୍ down the hill, rivers flowing by, rest condition, lighted by moonlight, scattered all around, invisible in moonless night. ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିବା. Rich man's building was big palatial building. It was on the top of a hill. It was surrounded by tall boundary walls. It looked very beautiful in moonlit night. It looked special due to lamps. Similarly, the poor man's farmer's huts. The poor farmer's huts were small. They were down the hill. They scattered all around. There were rivers flowing by. They had very rest condition. They were invisible in moonless नाइट ये भाव तुम पैराग्राफ ड्यूटी को लिख सेशन 6 यूसेज करवा लुक एट दिस सेंटेंस His house was surrounded by tall boundary walls like the Chinese Great Wall. Here like acts as a preposition. Like लगे तो बाकी लिखी the tall boundary walls were not the Chinese Great Walls but they looked so. The son lived like a prisoner. Like preposition क्या बोला? Then the son is not a prisoner but he lived so. इट जोड़ी है टाइम वाक्य जोड़ी है कि ये वाक्य द सन इज नॉट ए प्रिजनर बट ही लिव्ड सो द सन लिव्ड लाइक ए प्रिजनर. कविता इज नॉट ए डांसर but she danced well in the stage. जोड़ीबा कौन पाइबा कविता danced well in the stage like ए डांसर ताने ठीक कविता सी पर कविता लिख दवा सी डांस्ड वेल इन द स्टेज इट लाइक जोड़ दवा लाइक ए डांसर. रमेश इज नॉट ए गुड कुक बट ही prepared the curry well. ये वाक्य जो जोड़ीबा तो कौन पाइबा ही पर रमेश लिखता रमेश prepared the curry well like a good cook. तो कौन होगा आंसर रमेश prepared the curry like a good cook. Okay. Prakash is not a rich man but he spends a lot of money. ये बात जोड़ीबा ही पर प्रकाश लिख दबा प्रकाश spends a lot of money like a rich man. प्रकाश spends a lot of money like a rich man.